Yeah, my hair got wet. Better put some water on that damn shit. Put water. Yeah, get them white spots right there. Okay, little swoopity swoop swoop. My hair already went on there. And I woke up like this. You know, just a little bit, just to lay it back down, you know what I'm saying? Just a little, not the whole thing. It's that black girl magic right there. That black girl magic. Yes, honey. I woke up like this. Oops, I could keep thinking I am. Here we go. Here we go, y'all. Here we go, y'all. What's the scenario? Alright. I'm gonna be able to get mean with him. Stay down. Ain't that funny? Okay, I just want to tell y'all real quick, okay? Y'all see that white stuff? That's product. When you put product, another type of edge control or gel or whatever on top of this, it builds up more product. Use water. Use water. Get this shit up out of here. Smooth it in. It's all the same. All products start off with water anyway. So don't be walking around with them globs of white stuff in your hair. Sometimes I do because I be in a hurry, but yes indeed. Yes indeed. This will do. Yeah, this side got wet too. But I'm back to see the water running so that okay. Yes. Give me a little more water. Brush it. Y'all probably think my hair don't care a little. You know what? It might. If you don't do it right, brush it. Brush it. Mold that hair. Brush it and mold it. Mold this shit up the hell. Funny thing is, I started out bullshitting. This turned into a whole tutorial. I'll be ready. This is how I'm about to transform. I could transform you. Yes. I'm gonna transform up in here with this little pony in the back. Ugh. Funny shit. Okay, I missed. So I had to start over. I can't really see back here. I can only feel. Like I be feeling the rest of my parts. And they be like, how do you get your parts like that? I don't even know, girl. Because I use my fingers. And I couldn't see back there at all. So I'm just feeling around. Making sure I'm wrapping shit right. Okay, I'm gonna stick my finger through there if I can. Oh, and try to bring that back around. Bring it around. Tell them my SpongeBob was. Oh, and then you do this. Yeah, it ain't gonna work if you don't lean to the side like that. It ain't gonna work. So you gotta lean to the side so you can make sure. Right in this bathroom bomb, ain't it? Boop. I'm a classic man. Now look how extra like. I'm probably going a decent ass date now. Okay. Okay. Yes. Y'all need to follow me on YouTube and shit. What y'all need to do? What is you doing? What is you doing? Now I gotta clean up. My mama OCD. So I gotta get this hair up out her sink right now. Not now, but right now. Okay, I don't know if it's because I'm not left-handed. Oh, there it is. I couldn't get that angle right on this side. I look just like my daughter. But anyway. Hey, there we have it. Cool little slick back ponytail. I don't know what type of hair I got. I know it's not 4C, but I know it ain't 2C either. But it's pretty slick. Pretty slick up in there. You know.